Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to get better stream quality on Discord. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction that's guided. So first thing, in order to get better streaming quality on Discord, you can check your internet connection or you can use your fastest internet connection. So that is the first method. So make sure to check your internet connection before you start with the streaming process. And the other thing what you can do is enable HD video streaming. So in order to enable it, you'll need to log in into your Discord application and then tap on the gear icon located right at the bottom. And as you click on the gear icon, next you need to click on Nitro billing section. And after that, you need to check for a couple of Nitro options available. And follow the on-screen instruction in order to complete the payment process. So the third step, in order to get better streaming quality on Discord, what you can do is you can enable hardware acceleration in Discord. For that, you need to click on the gear icon. After you tap on the gear icon, next thing you need to do is select the voice and video from the left sidebar. And after that, you need to scroll down to the video code and you need to enable H.264 hardware acceleration. So that's it. And those were the method on how to get better streaming quality on Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.